Hello students, welcome to Studify Success. I am Utsav and this is lecture 2 of Polynomials class 9. I will start with classification of polynomials today. So we can classify polynomials on the basis of number of terms as well as degree of the polynomial. So firstly I will explain classification of polynomials on the basis of terms. So if a polynomial consists of only one term, then it is called monomial. Like for example, 2x, it is only one term, right, in this polynomial, so this is monomial. 2 is also a constant polynomial, right? So it is only one term, so this is a monomial. Similarly, y square and 3x cube is also a monomial. तो अगर कोई पॉलिनोमियल है जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही टर्म हो तो उसे हम मोनोमियल बोलते हैं. Second is binomial. A polynomial consisting of two non-zero terms is called binomial. अगर कोई पॉलिनोमियल है जिसमें सिर्फ दो ही टर्म्स हो तो उसे बाइनोमियल कहते हैं. Like x minus 1. This is a binomial. Here first term is x and second term is 1. And operation between them is subtraction. 2y square plus x also a binomial. Here first term is 2y square and second term is 6. 5x cube plus 10 is also a binomial. First term is 5x cube and second term is 10. Next is trinomial. So a polynomial consisting three non-zero terms is called trinomial. So first example is 2y square plus 4y plus 3. This polynomial consists of three terms. So first term is 2y square, second is 4y and third is 3. So since it consists of three terms, so it is a trinomial. Second example is y square minus 4x plus 3. This also contains three terms, that is x square minus 4x plus 3. So it is a trinomial. Next, classification of polynomials on the basis of degree. So a polynomial is called linear polynomial if it is of degree 1. Before that I want to explain कि डिग्री क्या होती है पॉलिनोमियल की. जो उसमें हाईएस्ट पावर होती है वेरिएबल की वही उसकी डिग्री होती है. सो अगर कोई पॉलिनोमियल है जिसकी हाईएस्ट डिग्री 1 है तो उसे हम लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल कहते हैं. Second is quadratic polynomial. So a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So in this example x square plus x minus 2, यहाँ पे x is our variable जिसकी highest power 2 है तो 2 is our degree, that is why it is quadratic polynomial. So y square plus 6 is also quadratic क्योंकि इसकी highest power जो है वो 2 है. Next is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. So 3x cube plus 6x plus 9, and this is a polynomial जिसकी highest power जो है वो 3 है, इसीलिए cubic polynomial. Similarly, y cube plus 2y plus 2, इस polynomial की डिग्री जो है वो 3 है, इसीलिए ये cubic polynomial है. And lastly, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. अगर कोई polynomial है जिसकी डिग्री 4 है तो वो biquadratic polynomial हो जाता है. Example is x की power 4, m की power 4 minus 4 and z की power 4 minus 9. In all three examples, 4 is the highest degree, that is why it is a quadratic polynomial. Now we will do some questions. So first is write the coefficient of x square in each case. So coefficient का मतलब होता है कि जो भी हमारा वेरिएबल है, that is here x square, तो जिस भी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई होता है वो उसका कोफिशिएंट होता है. So in first question 2 plus x square plus 2x, जो x square है उसका जो कोफिशिएंट है वो 1 होगा क्योंकि x square के साथ कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू नहीं है, so it must be 1 with it. So अगर कोई न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू नहीं है इसका मतलब कि 1 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, राइट. So x square की जो कोफिशिएंट है वो 1 है. नेक्स्ट इज 2 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स क्यूब. यहाँ पे जो एक्स स्क्वायर है इसका कोफिशिएंट हो जाएगा -1. थर्ड है 1/2 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स, तो यहाँ पे कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 1/2. And last is very important, root 2x minus 1. Here there is no term of x square because it must be multiplied with 0. That is why it is not present, right? So coefficient of x square is 0 here. Now, so next question is write the degree of each of the following. So डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल मतलब होता है कि जो भी पॉलिनोमियल है उसमें जो वेरिएबल है उसकी जो हाईएस्ट पावर होती है वो उसकी डिग्री होती है. सो इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 5x क्यूब प्लस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x. x इज आर वेरिएबल जिसकी जो पावर्स हैं वो है 1, 2 एंड 3, राइट. 3 powers are present and जिसमें 3 is highest, right? So this is the reason the degree of this polynomial is 3. Next is 4 minus y square. So here 4 minus y square, 4 can be assumed as 4 into y की power 0. So here our variable is y and y की दो powers है that present है इस polynomial में, that is 0 and 2. Since 2 is greater than 0, that is 2 is the highest power of this polynomial. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Third is 5t minus root 7. So t is variable here. So root 7 can be assumed as root 7 into t की power 0. तो t यहाँ पे वेरिएबल है जिसकी दो पावर्स प्रेजेंट है इस पॉलिनोमियल में, 1 and 0. Since 1 is greater than 0, that is 1 is the highest power. So degree of this polynomial is 1. Last is 3. So 3 can be written as 3 into any variable की power 0. Let's say x. So 3 into x की power 0. So equals to 3 itself. So degree of this polynomial is 0. Now some question based on classification of polynomials. So first is write a monomial of degree 35. So monomial means कि जो भी हमारा polynomial है उसमें सिर्फ एक टर्म है. So I write it as x. And then degree 35, then 35 is the only power here which is highest as well. So x raised to power 35 is the monomial of degree 35. Next question is write a binomial of degree 100. So binomial means that polynomial should contain two terms, right? So I need to write a polynomial जिसमें दो terms हो और जिसकी highest power 100 हो. So I can write x raised to power 100 plus x की power 3. So here 100 is our degree and this is a binomial because this has two terms. Third question is write a trinomial of degree 5. Trinomial means where polynomial should have three terms. So I write three terms as x की power 3, x की power 4, x की power 2. And since it is asking for degree 5, so I put the degree highest degree is 5. Last is write a monomial of degree 2. Monomial means a polynomial with only one term and whose degree should be 2. So x की power 2 is a monomial of degree 2. Students, and if you got a question like this where you have to write a monomial of degree 35 or binomial of degree 100, so you can write any variable of your choice and you can adjust, like you can write or create examples at your own.